Hello people, this is Epic05, and here I'm watching the game, but I'm not going to watch it yet. After this video I will. The Vikings, I believe, made it to the playoffs, but go Vikings. I'm going to do a burping well, not a contest, but I'm going to burp. And see how good I can do it with Mountain Dew, people. Oh, yeah. Cold Red. So let's do this thing. One sec. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. I did a loud one out in the living room. I did. Okay. Come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got this. I feel it. It's coming. I know. It's just big. It's a big one. Here's what's coming. Don't do this video too long. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wait. I think it's coming now. Wait, I know it's a big one that's coming. This one. Come on, I know that. And it's the weekend, yay, Saturday, yeah. Come on. Sorry, you guys. Okay, okay, there's a drop left and I want to drink it all. That's my brother knocking. Ignore. Come on. This is my favorite pop right there. Right there, people. Right there. This takes, I'm going to do it till like 6 minutes. Nah. I feel bad for you guys. I'm sorry. I know it's coming. Hopefully you guys watch the whole video. Because if you do, thank you. Because, oh, here it comes. Oh gosh, there's more is coming. More is coming. Okay, well I'm going, thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. See you.